Welcome to Rome. In this video, we'll explore the neighborhoods of Rome, take in some art, and eat our way through this amazing ancient city. We're Kathy and Derek, full-time travelers in our 50s, traveling the world since July of 2024 and bringing you our experiences so you can also build the life of your dreams. Good morning from Roma. We are about to head out on a little bit of a walk up to this ridge that looks over Trastevere, the neighborhood that we're staying in, but also all of Roma.
There's a cute little park here along the way. Some outdoor seating. So this trail along the ridge is called Passeggiata del Gianicolo. This is the Giuseppe Garibaldi Monument, and if you want to get up to this viewpoint over the city, it's the thing that you'll want to put in your map to get you here. But there's amazing views all along the way. And so, yes, it's kind of a destination, but the journey is the destination on this hike. So we did this little walk as a loop, and we went up on the northern side of the ridge, and then we're working our way back down on the southern side of the ridge, back into the Trastevere area of the neighborhood. The whole thing takes about 45 minutes, depending on how much you stop along the way. So well worth your time. Cheers.
We just finished lunch at Nanarella, which is a 90-plus-year-old restaurant. Really delicious pizza. So come with us home.
Super Mama.
First of all, check out this cool key. And then we have 3 keys to get in the door.
All right, we just got done chilling at the home, getting a little work done. Now we're heading out to...
We're going to have an aperitivo, and then we are going to dinner at this restaurant we really like. So we're excited to show it to you. But one thing we just found out is that our Airbnb, and now this is the 3rd one that this happened with, canceled. And the excuse they gave was the building is being remodeled, which is the same excuse that was given in the last one. It's a real pain because, you know, you spend a lot of time doing the planning and the looking and the researching and the booking, and then you have that reservation for months and months and months. And then they cancel, and also you don't know, how easily it can be replaced. I will say about Airbnb is that they throw some suggestions at you for other places, like some automated suggestions, but they really do nothing for the customer because they offer you $20 coupon if you end up spending more money. If you don't spend more money, though, they don't give you anything for the inconvenience. So
where we left off with you on our last little night out was we were looking for a place to get some aperitivos in Prati, and it ends up we have explored more, and so that's the area we're headed to right now to go get some aperitivos. We're now confident that we found a few nice spots, and we're also going to get our dinner over there.
So we were headed to a place, and then we saw this cute little bar on the corner. It's really, really nice out right now, and it's like that dusk time, so we decided to sit out here.
Mozzarella salad? Yeah. Lasagna?
Una lasagna.
Al forno
Like
con
grigli.
patate.
The back. Yeah. Yeah, it's just really.
They're marinated.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, wow. Look at me go.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful meal at Il Colibri, and we are going to walk back home. It's about a 30-minute walk, but we're stuffed. And that dessert, the torta ricotta was so good. Earlier in our trip, we did a tour of the Vatican, so we'll show you some of that now. We did both our Vatican tour and our Colosseum tour with Viator, and we absolutely loved the guides that we got, so we'll leave the link for you in the caption. They're really great. It's a beautiful morning in Rome. We are about to head into the Caravaggio exhibit, but we have a really fun day planned today, mostly art and walking around. We're going to go look at this really cool neighborhood that we'll show you, get some good lunch. Is this for when you have... That was an awesome tour. It was very hard to film in there though because it was quite crowded, and it's actually not that long. It's only about three, maybe four large rooms of paintings. But we got the audio, and that was really well worth it because it was so informative, and there was no way you would have had time to read things and look at it. We just had a coffee here, but this would be a very nice place to sit for lunch as well. Went in this cute little shop in Monti that was part art gallery, part vintage clothes, and part bar.
So we're walking around the cute little neighborhood of Monti. It's very artsy with a lot of vintage stores and old streets that are narrow and just really interesting architecture. So highly recommend it, really fun.
we'll go over there.
Benzo sparkling water.
Cheers, love.
What is it you got there, babe?
Spaghetti al vongole.
And I got fettuccine with salmon.
But
It's kind of like a
with I don't think the shirt will recover from this adventure at Benzo.
stroll in our 4 feet out with the Colosseum behind us. So neato. All right, so we've left Monti and we're coming in on the area that they call the Jewish ghetto. Come around a corner, all over Rome, you just stumble upon an amazing historical site like this. Looks like the main drag.
The Jewish ghetto, also known as the Jewish Quarter, was established in 1555 as a designated area where the city's Jewish population was forced to live. A tragic part of its history includes a Nazi roundup in 1943, during which many of the residents were deported to Auschwitz. Today, it's a vibrant neighborhood full of shops and restaurants, and we look forward to spending some more time there in the future.
This is our favorite gelato place we've been to almost every time.
Pistachio, please.
I'll get the salted pistachio and the hazelnut, please. Grazie mille. Yum.
Yum. So we just got home. We're super tired. Ugh, I'm glad we took a taxi to the Caravaggio. What I'm making tonight is a kind of a lighter version of a chicken parm. I'm not gonna like bread and fry the chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit of eggplant underneath the chicken. Some more going on there, little veggies in, because I'm not gonna serve it with pasta. Eggplant's ready to come out, and we're gonna layer our chicken and our mozzarella and our tomato sauce and a little Parmesan. Now it's back into the oven until everything is cooked through and it's hot and bubbly. Okay guys, we're gonna eat our dinner now, and thanks for joining along. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our videos, and thanks so much. That turned out so good, we finished the whole pan.